Looking to automate your lawn watering with smart scheduling, weather-based adjustments, and full control from your phone? The Orbit B-hyve 8-zone smart sprinkler controller is built to turn a traditional irrigation system into a fully intelligent one. Right away, the biggest highlight is full smart control via the B-hyve app. You can manage watering schedules, zones, and timing directly from your phone, whether you're at home or away. The 8-zone support makes it ideal for medium to larger yards. You can customize watering for different areas like lawns, gardens, or flower beds, giving each zone exactly what it needs. Where it really stands out is weather intelligence. It automatically adjusts watering based on rain, temperature, and forecasts, and even skips watering when it's not needed, helping save water and prevent overwatering. Installation is surprisingly simple. It's designed as a direct replacement for most existing sprinkler controllers, so if you already have a wired irrigation system, setup is quick and beginner-friendly. You also get smart scheduling options. You can either create your own schedules or let the system generate automatic watering plans based on your location and conditions. It integrates well with smart homes too, supporting voice control through systems like Alexa, adding another layer of convenience. Now the honest part, this device requires a stable Wi-Fi connection to unlock its smart features. Also, it only works with existing sprinkler systems, so it's not a standalone watering solution like hose-based systems. Overall, this is a powerful, practical upgrade for traditional irrigation setups, offering automation, water savings, and convenience without needing a full system overhaul. Click the link below for the best price.